What I wish I knew at the start of my language learning journey. It's easier than you think. Mastering a new language is a superpower in today's world. But let's be real, it can feel like trying to juggle flaming swords, right? Here's a quick fix. First, immerse yourself. Change your phone settings to the new language and watch your favorite shows with subtitles. Trust me, it's like magic. Next, use language apps like Duolingo or Babbel. They turn learning into a game. And who doesn't love games? Third, practice speaking. Find a language buddy or join online language communities. It's all about real conversations. Did you know? Studies show people who use these methods can learn a new language in just a few weeks. Impressive, right? So share your language learning hacks in the comments. Let's help each other out. Remember, the journey might be tough, but the benefits are endless. Hit like, subscribe for more tips, and check out our other videos. Happy learning!